back guys, and a happy new year. It is the first day of 2020, January the 1st, and I'm a bit worse for wear, so let's get on with it. You join me with the Ford Transit Connect. I'm going to show you a dead simple job how to remove and replace the headlight bulbs. So stay tuned, let's crack on with it. Right guys, first thing you want to do is get the bonnet open. As you can see, I've already done. Make yourself a coffee. If you're rough, stick that on the engine block. Dead easy video this. Really simple, and they're quite not bad to get to either. So you've got the same setup on both sides. Not like one side's easy and the other side's not. This cross member going across, blocking the back of the headlights, but it's not too bad. I've already pulled the cap off this one. I think you can squeeze it through that gap, but I brought it from underneath here. I'll put it back on there so you can see it does fit. Just a bit fiddly. Alright, try again with a bit of light so you can actually see what I'm doing. See, that just pops on and off like so. So that's now on. It's just does like sort of a quarter turn, and then it's just a bit awkward to get your hand in. And you flick it like that, it'll pull off. This is your headlight bulb caps. This is your main one for your headlight, and your side light bulbs are both here together. So I'm going to pull that cap out of the way, and if I stick this in at a bit of a funny angle like that, you can see we have the mechanism bit that holds the actual headlight bulb in. You see these little pins here? You pull them like that, unclip them, and then that carrier sort of goes back and the bulb comes out. Obviously you've got to pull this black box off the back of the bulb itself to disconnect it and put your new bulb in. I'm not going to pull it all the way out because it does work, this bulb, and I don't want to blow it. But yeah, so you undo this clip, pull that, push that all the way back, pull the black plastic bit off the back of the bulb. You could even do that before you unclip it, which will make it a lot easier too. And to replace it, put your new bulb onto this plastic, just sort of slots it in, and then you squeeze the pins back together, and there's a little bit of a hook there that these pins go under, like so. And that is your headlight bulb. Let's get that in and out. The side light bulb is underneath it, I think, yeah. So the side light bulb is, if you just see it, it's really, I'll get the camera in here, the little tiny one there, that just literally twists and pulls out with the two orange wires going into it there. That's the side light bulb. Your main B bulb, headlight bulb, and your indicator is dead simple. That's on a separate one, so still looking on the back of the headlight unit. Little cap there. It's a bit stiff to get out, but it does come out because it's on a rubber seal. And that is your indicator bulb. To change the bulb, you just pop the bulb out of that. It slots in and out. No, it's a twist one, sorry. So it's a push down and twist like a light bulb in a house. Dead simple. Let's get it back in, just find where it clips in, turn it back tight. Get the cap back on this. I won't bore you with that too much. It is a bit fiddly to get in this gap, but it does fit, believe me. You've got to send it in the right way around. But yeah, you get the idea. I'll do that off camera. So the next thing, have some coffee. But yeah, this side is exactly the same. You got your main cap here, your headlight bulb and your side light bulb, and this little cap for the indicator bulb. And that is how to replace all your bulbs on the front of the Transit Connect Mark 1. Quite an easy one this, you don't have to take anything out, no tools required. You've got an adjuster there. I'm not sure if these have headlight motors or just manual adjusters, but you need to adjust the beam tilt or anything. I think it's these boxes here that are hidden. That bit in the top, I think so, don't quote me on that. Just let me know in the comments if you do need to adjust them and you need some help with it. But yeah, that's the Ford Transit Connect. Headlight bulb removal. I'm going to do a video on removing the whole headlight unit at some point, but that might come. Anyway, won't waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe. Join the ever-growing One Life Cars. Hit that like button if you liked it or found it useful. Other than that guys, until tomorrow, peace.